Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter 3, Advanced Features of Word Processor. Students, in previous class we already studied about word processor, or you can say that we have already studied about MS Word. Okay, so let's discuss what is word processor first. A word processor is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting and output of text, often with some additional features. And the functions of word processor programs fall somewhere between those of simple text editor and fully functioned desktop publishing program. So we can say that in word processor or in MS Word, we can process on text, we can edit the text, we can format the text, we can change the color of the text, font style, and we can add pictures also using this word. So let's start the chapter. Students, our first topic is Format Painter. Format Painter is an advanced tool on the Home tab. Okay, this Format Painter is found in the Home tab. It is used to quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font style, size and border style also to multiple pieces of the text or graphics. The Format Painter let us copy of all the formatting from one object to and apply it to the another one. Think of it is as copy and pasting of formatting. Suppose let's understand Format Painter with an example. In Format Painter, if you have written a word or text with a different color, with different font style, you can copy that style with the help of Format Painter without applying that color, without applying that border style, without applying anything. Just you have to copy that style from with the help of Format Painter. Students, these are the steps. With the help of these steps you can apply Format Painter on your text. Step 1. Select the text or graphic that has the formatting that you want to copy. First you have to select that graphic or text that you want to copy. Okay, not that you want to do. Step 2. On the Home tab, click Format Painter. Then step 3. Use the brush to paint over a selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. When you will click on this Home tab and you will click afterwards, you click on Format Painter, then your cursor will change. Means your cursor will looks like a paint brush. Then you will understand that you have selected the Format Painter. Okay. Now apply on that text which one you want to do with the same of that Format Painter. Now students, practically I will show you how to apply this Format Painter on your text. First we will learn how to open MS Word. In class 4 we have already done, in class 3rd we have already done, but again I am telling you how to open MS Word first. Student, this is our computer screen, this is our desktop. Now I will tell you how to open MS Word. First you go in this start button, click here, then directly here MS Office Word 2007 is here. You can click here, then it will open, or otherwise if it is not there, then click on this start button, then go to MS Office. Afterwards you go to this Microsoft Word 2007. Click on this. Now you can see, student, this is our MS Word. Means Microsoft Word is here. In this way you can open MS Word in your computer. Now students, you can see here, this is our MS Word. Okay. Today we are discussing about word processor. Okay. So I have written few lines about word processor here. You can see here. So now I will tell you how to apply this Format Painter. Students, you can see here, it is written a word processor is a device or computer program. A word processor is written in different way. Means it is in italic, underline, and a word processor, this text is written in the green color. So we want this apply. So students, we want to copy this style in the another text also. So how we will do this? This process is said to be Format Painter. First, step 1 is select the text that you want to format. Okay. So first we have to select this text. Okay. First I have selected this. Okay. Then afterwards go to Home tab. This is our Home tab. You can see here, this is our Home tab. Then go to Font. This is our font, and students, you can see here in font, here it is Format Painter. Click on this Format Painter. Okay. Now you can see here our cursor becomes in paintbrush. See, this cursor becomes, it looks like a paintbrush. Here the function we want to apply, then just you have to apply this paintbrush on that text you want to do. I have selected this word function. Then you can see just I have applied this, and it is same as this word processor. You can see here, just I have applied here, then it becomes as same as this word processor. This function of become also as same as this. Now students, I hope you understand Format Painter. Our next topic is subscript or superscript text. First we will understand about subscript text. The subscript refers to the numbers that are positioned slightly lower than the text on the line. For example, a scientific formula might use subscript text. For example, while writing H2O, it is the chemical formula of water, we need to subscript 2, because this H2O, in this manner H2O is not written. So to write this H2O in correct way, we have to use this subscript text. So how to apply this subscript text? First, select that text you want to subscript. We want this 2 to subscript, so we have to select this 2. I have selected this 2 with the help of mouse. Then in Home tab, then go to Font option. Here it is Font option. Then here it is subscript is written. Just you have to click on this subscript. Now you can see here. Now you can see here this H2O. Now this is the right way to write H2O or to write the formula of water. Next topic is superscript text. Superscript refers to the numbers that are positioned slightly higher than the text on the line. For example, to write a mathematical equation, like A2 BQ it is written here. This is not the correct way to write the mathematical equation in maths. Here it is written A2 plus B3, but the right way is A square plus BQ. We need to subscript the number 2 and 3. So how we will do subscript to write a mathematical equation? First you have to select the text which you want to superscript. I want this 2, so I have selected this 2 with the help of mouse. Then again the same process, home tab, then font, then here it is written superscript. You have to click this superscript. Then you can see here what is the change. Now it is written A square. Here it is written A square plus B3 is written. Again we will do the same process. First we will select this 3 with the help of mouse or with the help of keyboard. Then again go to home tab. Then go in font option. Then again this superscript text. Now what is the change? You have seen this changes. Now it is written A square plus B cube. This is the correct way to write the mathematical equation. Now students, your classwork is to write the answer of these questions. First question is describe about Format Painter. Second question, write the steps to apply the Format Painter. Third question, what is superscript? And fourth question is what is subscript?